Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can end processes in your Google Chrome. Processes are all the work that are going in the back end of the Google Chrome. And if you notice any conflicting behavior from any web page, then one simple step is to end that particular process. So let's see how to end a process in Google Chrome. First, let's open our Google Chrome. Then I will open some random instances of tabs here to simulate a working environment. Now, to end any process, for example, I have some issues with this particular page and it is not allowing my camera or microphone, or it is giving me some error which is interfering with my other tabs or my system. Then the best way to resolve is using the end process. To do that, simply click on the three vertical dots present at the corner of your screen. Then hover your cursor to this More Tools option. Now here you can see the Task Manager, or you can simply press the Shift plus Escape key combinations. Now let's click on the Task Manager and you can see all of the processes. Now simply select those processes which are interfering with your system. For example, if this process is interfering my system, I will click on it and click on this End Process button. As you can see that this process has been ended. And to reload it, I will need to click on the Reload button. Once I do, it will give it a fresh start. And now, if you want to end multiple processes, here is the step. Go to the More Tools again, then to the Task Manager, and then if you want to end multiple processes, simply select one or more by pressing down your Control key and then selecting Other Processes. For example, these processes I have selected, and then I can end them by simply clicking on the End Process button. Once I do, it has ended all of the processes that I have selected. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Share this video, comment on it, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.